Hello again and welcome back. One of the more annoying things about Photoshop Elements 2020 is that when you try to open it, you go to this welcome screen. This gives you the option of then going to Photo Editor or Organiser or even Video Editor. I don't have the Video Editor installed. I tend mainly to use the Photo Editor. I'm not terribly keen on the Organiser, and if you like it, that's fine. If you don't, have a look at one of my other videos which shows how to replace that with a program called Bridge, also made by Adobe, which I think is far superior. So when you click on the Photo Editor, it will eventually open up, but you've wasted all the time going first of all to this welcome screen. Now there is a way around this. If we just shrink this down a little bit and we come down here, we find that we've got a shortcut to it down here on the taskbar. Now if I right click that, one of the options is pin to taskbar. So now if I close that and close that, I can come down here and I've got this little icon here. One single click and we go straight into the editor. You can do the same thing with the Organiser if you want to. So that's all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you again sometime.